Hi guys, let us continue on our MLOps journey. In our last tutorial, we see how to deploy a web app in the GCP Google Cloud Platform and in the AWS Fargate. Today we'll see how to make the same thing but now in the Azure Cloud Platform. Note that the step is the same, it's still the same. We need for this work to have an Azure account. If you already have it, you can log it or you can create a free account. Okay, this is necessary for deploying our WebML app. We also need to create a resource group. This is inside the Azure. I will show you to give a registry name and to choose our pricing plan. Please choose the free pricing plan, okay, with no change. Okay, it's very important. And for this work we need some tool. We need Python Flask library, as you know, Pycaret library, Docker to build our image. We need an Azure account. We also need an Azure container registry where we will put our Docker image, and then we will see how to create a resource group. We create our web app, and we will deploy the web app on the internet. Now let's see in the detail this step. We firstly launch a Docker. It's already done. As you can see, this is my Docker. It's running. We open a Git bash. It's already done. Yeah, this is my Git bash. It's open. Let me make it bigger. We create a virtual environment. I think I already created it. I will now activate this environment. For this, I think I already created it, and now I will only activate this environment, but I didn't remember the name of my virtual environment. I will run this command, conda list. No, it's not a good command. I will run conda env list. Yes, this is a good command. And I see here Azure ML. Let it make too big. You can see we have here Azure ML env. It's my virtual environment. Okay, I will clear it, clear, and then activate conda, activate my Azure ML env. Okay, I activate it. We also need to install Azure command line. I already done it. I will check it if I install my Azure command line. Will not install again because I already done it. Okay, if you don't have Docker command line, you install it and we check the installation with this command Azure version. After that, you build your Docker image with this command Docker build. Please pay attention to the modification of the power. Here is the 1818. Remember that the Flask app run on the power 5000. Okay, but here we change it. Here we give 1818. Okay, very important. And we change it in the Docker file. Yeah, you can see 1818. Okay, very important. When you run your container, you can push the image in your Azure container registry. This is the command that allow you to do it. Okay, my image name is lattice and my container registry is David Insurance. Now let's see our image in our Azure. We go to the home, all services. We click on the container registry. We click on the name of our container. We click here on registry. We say here the name of our registry, David Insurance, and inside we have our image name latest. Okay, we can check it by go back in our readme.md. okay, this is the name of our image, latex. Okay, latex, and go back to the Docker registry. We have our image here, our Docker image. After that, it continued. We are now able to create a web app resources and to deploy our web resource. Okay, let's go to see how to create this web app. We'll go here into the Azure home page. We click on create a new resources, and then you choose web app create, and then you choose your resources group. Here is ML. I already created the name of the app. I don't know, you give one name, the name you want. I already create, I will not create again. To publish your code, your container Docker application web static, no, it will be a Docker container. Okay, we click here, we choose your OS system. We leave Linux. The region here is, I'm not in US, I am in France. I will choose France Central. Yeah, and you choose your Linux plan. Okay, your price plan, please choose this one, the F1. Okay, you see is the free, not change. And after that, you go here in the Docker. You see here option. You will choose the source of image. Please choose the source of image, and you will choose container registry, Azure container registry. And here the registry is David Tutor, the image David Insurance, and the balise lattice. Okay, this is my image, and you can now be able to check and create this web app. I already created it. I will go and launch it. Let's go back. Here is my web app. The name is David Insurance Bill Predict. I click on it. It's a web app. It will give me my web page to predict the insurance bill of a patient. Here is the default domain now. And here we have our web app. This is deploy. We are deploy our web ML app. Now we can make some prediction by giving the feature, the region, our heads. We click on the button predict, and here we'll have the amount of the insurance bill for this person. Okay, you can see here is the $16,012 per year. This is the prediction. Okay, thank you guys. I hope that this was very clear for you, but if you have any issue, please feel free to ask questions.